In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best rated products that will literally change the way you are doing things.
Meet Uvmask, the next generation reusable mask with powerful UVC sterilization technology that protects you from 99.99% of all dust, pollution, and airborne pathogens. All the air you breathe is sent through UM's patented sterile vortex. The ultra-high-intensity UVC light instantly purifies and sterilizes the air 10 times faster than you can breathe. The first layer of protection is a replaceable air filter that blocks 95% of all particles larger than 0.3 microns, the same degree of protection as a N95 mask. The high-performance air filter provides excellent protection against pollution, smoke, and pollen, as well as particles released by sanding, painting, drywall, and fiberglass installation, woodwork, and gardening. While airborne pathogens smaller than 0.3 microns aren't efficiently blocked by any mask passive filter, UM's active UVC light neutralizes the ones that make it through, bringing total filtration efficiency to 99.99%. As pathogens pass through this sterile vortex, the UVC light breaks down their genetic material, neutralizing their ability to reproduce or transmit, ensuring real-time protection anywhere you go. Any air you breathe out is also sterilized, protecting the people around you. Uvmask medical-grade ergonomic silicone inner layer is soft against the skin. Wear it comfortably, however you choose, with its flexible strap styles. Uvmask creates a secure, airtight chamber that sits around your nose and mouth, making breathing easy, unlike traditional masks. Breathing air is natural. Breathing clean air is essential. Back Uvmask today and enjoy breathing in public again.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.